Nokia has already launched an impressive 6 new smartphones this year, however it appears there's at least one more in the works. The Nokia 9, expected to be HMD's 2018 flagship, appears to be on its way, and it suspects behemoth. While many of the earlier rumors about the Nokia 9 actually applied to the Nokia 8 Sirocco, that doesn't mean the Nokia 9 is fantasy. Rumors about the Nokia 9 continue to come in, and they mesh well with some of the earliest rumors we heard about the device. There's also the issue of a quote from Nokia executives that circulated after the Russian Nokia 8 Sirocco launch event that hinted at another Nokia with larger display in the works. Nothing is certain, and the release date is unknown for now, but here's all the information we've gathered about the Nokia 9 so far. A Nokia 9 specs leak sheet appears to show the upcoming phone will pack some pretty awesome internals. Granted, these specs are not confirmed and they actually conflict with earlier specs, so we can't be certain they are correct. From the leaked specs sheet, it looks like the Nokia 9 will pack a 6.01-inch AMOLED display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. You'll also find an Intel Snapdragon 845 processor on the Nokia 9. The battery comes in at a pretty massive 3,950 mAh, so you should have no problem getting a full day's use. Additionally, the phone features a dual SIM slot, but there's no word if it's a hybrid SIM for additional micro SD storage. As for memory, the Nokia 9 may feature a whopping 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of onboard storage capacity. Though there is no mention of RAM in the FCC documents, it seems likely that the Nokia 9 will feature 8 GB of RAM. Geekbench is also reporting the Nokia 9 will feature 8 GB of RAM, however these results can be faked. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Nokia 9 involves the fingerprint sensor. According to the recent spec sheet leak, the upcoming flagship will feature an in-display fingerprint reader. Early rumors stated the Nokia 9 would feature a dual-camera setup, but those rumors actually referred to the recently released Nokia 8 Sirocco. Rumors around the camera are slim and come from a leaked specs sheet that may, or may not, be legit. If the rumors are true, you can expect the Nokia 9 to have a triple camera array like the Huawei P20. The Nokia 8 will likely run Android 8.1 Oreo, Android One Edition. Earlier this year at MWC, HMD confirmed that all upcoming Nokia devices, with the exception of the Nokia 2, would be part of the Android One program. We don't know when, or even if, the Nokia 9 will be released. We would anticipate pricing to be what you'd expect of a flagship, especially since the HMD did not appear to skimp on the hardware for the Nokia 9. We'll keep you updated with all the rumors.